Phasalo Rajakhor Aguli MBB Collage ni Rabindra Hall Nagar Northeast ni Historical Review and Reorganization National Level ni Kaisa Seminar Chengjakha Pandao Manjakha MBB College ni Principal na khobwi Kubun Adongrok. Ashanle seminar na tui MBB College ni Principal Chaka National Level o seminar ni 40 research papers submit khlaijaknai hinai a seminar khlaijaknai Salnwini Bagwi Phasalo a research paper no tui sajaknai kokla.
We know that historiography has taken a different progression. It has taken a kind of evolution which goes through different phases in different period of time across different cultures. And in my observation, maybe I could be slightly wrong. Those after me they can correct me also on that. But I found this very process of historiography for both linear and the cyclic. Beginning with, when we talk about the modern history writing especially, we have examples or we have this derivation from the Western, the process of historical writing beginning in the West. Beginning with the scientific revolution in the 16th and 17th century, where they talk about, they insist on the observable facts, the facts-based history. They say that the objective history could be written through the facts which are self-explanatory. You do not need anything but the facts itself will speak up. And scientific revolution on the hills in 18th century was the era of the Enlightenment. Enlightenment despised the Middle Ages is the age of superstitions. It rather say that we need to believe in the reason. It talks about the rationality. It does not look into the causes from the God or the providence, but rather it stress on the human agency or many other factors like economy and the environment. But somewhere undercurrent says the history is these empiricist way of observable fact. Somehow they want to create a law. Just like in the nature there are different laws, they want to create a law, a universal law through which the history could be defined.
Rajakhor Aguli Chini Khorang.